here to celebrate life. I like to bring musicians from all over the world, to bring them together on the stage. They are coming with different stories, different roots, different beliefs, and they bring them all together. And suddenly it appears a blessed moment, like in a spiritual process of alchemy, when all these limitations disappear and remains our unity. Suddenly we become, all of us become one, and all our roots become one single common root. Through music we discover that we have only one root. It's a journey for me, it's a journey for musicians, and it's a journey for the audience. We did this music and it happened in the studio, this miracle that suddenly we became one. Thought about the name of this city being sound of the root, this our common root.